Hello everybody, my name is Rodolfo and I'm studying to get my next license in the boiler industry. And today I have a few questions for you guys to see how much you guys know. And then later I'll give you my best answer. I'm gonna leave my email in the description. So if you have any questions or if you wanna share questions and answers, I will be glad to make a video of it. First question. Atmospheric pressure is considered to be in a fire tube boiler. A fire tube boiler is surrounded by a boiler is equipped with one safety valve where it will be set to blow. What's the purpose of a flash tank? What is a cyclone separator? Where in the plant are you likely to find a check valve? What is a check valve? What is a closed feed water heater? Explain how you would test a low water cutoff. How do you blow down a gauge glass? So, atmospheric pressure is considered to be 14.7 psi. A tube in a fire tube boiler is surrounded by water. A boiler is equipped with one safety valve. Where will be set to blow? Only one safety valve, so can be set at or below the maximum allowed working pressure, AMWP. What's the purpose of the flash tank? The flash tank is a blow-down tank that recovers heat from the blow-down lines. Okay? And will cool it off the water enough before you discharge to the sewer. Okay? What's a cyclone separator? Cyclone separator is a device used in water tube boilers to separate moisture from the steam leaving the drum. Where in the plant you like to find a check valve between the boiler and the feed water pump? Okay. That's a requirement. What's a check valve? A check valve is a special purpose valve that allows flow in one direction only. What's a closed feed water heater? A closed feed water heater it's a heater when steam and water do not get in direct contact. Okay, like a tube heat exchanger, like the shell in the boiler. Not in the boiler because we have water and steam, but in the shell where you have water on one side and steam on the other side. Okay. Explain how you would test a low water cutoff. Okay, so you can say, I'm gonna do a short version, okay? Water cutoff can be tested by blowing the water column or by performing slow drain tests on the boiler, okay? Low water cutoff. Probably you're gonna have a dead switch You press that, open the drain in the bottom of the low water cutoff, okay, and then you close it. Okay, you can open the bottom blow line on the boiler slowly to let the water goes, and slowly reduce the water level in the boiler, and the boiler should trip. Okay, and of course, if you open the drain, as soon as the water inside of the water column gets to that level, that limit, we should trip the boiler, unless you have the dead sweet man to keep the boiler running. How do you blow down the gauge glass? The gauge glass needs to blow down by operating the top and the bottom valve independently to ensure that neither connection is plugged. So you have your gauge glass, okay? So you open the drain, okay? There should be flush both connections, okay? Then you close the bottom one, that steam will flush the top connection, okay? Then you open the bottom and close the top, that should flush the bottom connection, okay? Then you open the top connection, the bottom connection is open, and you close the drain. That's how you blow down the gauge glass. I hope you guys like it. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, that will help us a lot, and I see you in the next video. Thank you.